Hello everyone, now we will start 3.4. In this topic, we will learn about quadratic formula. As the name is there, quadratic, so this is used for quadratic equation. Okay, so what's the formula says? Formula says if you have a quadratic function or quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. And the condition is a non-zero. Why I'm writing this condition? Because if a is 0, if a is 0, this is not a quadratic anymore. This coefficient is 0. So this term is missing. So this is a linear function now. To make it quadratic, the coefficient of x square will be non-zero. And the formula is, we can calculate the values of x. And the x is equals to negative b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. So this is quadratic formula. Alright. So let's do this question. Solve x square plus 3x equals to 5 using quadratic formula. Whenever you are using quadratic formula, you will be clear about this. Everything should be on the one side. Be careful this thing. If something is on the other side, keep everything in a one side. So I'm shifting this x square plus 3x minus 5 equals to 0. A is 1, B is 3 and C is negative 5. Substitute here. X equals to negative 3 plus minus square root of 3 square minus 4ac over 2 times 1. So x is equals to negative 3 plus minus square root of 9 plus 20, it's 29. Why I say plus 20? Because this is negative 5, this is negative already there, so negative, negative, positive, 5 fours are 20. So 20 plus 9, 29 over 2. This is the answer. So you can say x equals to negative 3 plus root 29 over 2 is the one answer. And minus 3 minus square root 29 by 2 is the answer. Okay, let's do the next one. Using quadratic formula, we have to solve this. The same thing I told you. Shift everything in a one side. Minus 8x minus 12x plus 4 equals to 0. 25x square minus 20x plus 4 equals to 0. A is 25, B is 20, negative 20 and C is positive 4. So x will be equals to negative of negative 20 plus minus square root of negative 20 square negative 4, 25, 4 over 2 times a. And this will be 20 plus minus square root of 20 square is 400, 400 minus 25 fours are 100, 100 fours are 400. So this is 400 minus 400, 0. So square root of 0 over 50. I'm getting this. X equals to 20 over 50. Or you can say 2 over 5 is the answer. Then, so x square coefficient, or you can say quadratic function, have a two answers. And here we are getting single answer. It means this answer is repeated. You are getting 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 times. Okay. Next. Solve negative x square plus 4x equals to 13 using quadratic formula. So I'm shifting to the left side everything. A is negative 1, B is 4 and C is negative 13. x is equals to -4 plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times negative x equals to -4 plus minus square root of 4 square 16, negative negative positive positive negative negative 13 4s are 68. It's a 54. 13 4s are 52. It is 52. So 16 minus 52. It is minus 36. So square root of negative 36 over 2 times negative 1. That's negative 2. And we learn already how to write negative of a root. That's a I. I can write -4 plus minus. Square root of 36 is 6. Square root of -1 is I over -2. So you will get -4 plus 6i over 2 or -4 plus or no minus I 6i. You can say 6i over -2. You can divide by -2. You get 2 minus 3i, 2 plus 3i. These are the two answers for this question. Okay, this is the answer. Now, next, analyze the discriminant. What is discriminant? In the quadratic formula, we are writing -b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. The term inside the square root, this square root term, is a discriminant. This is known as a discriminant. This will tell you how many real solutions this quadratic function or quadratic equation have. First thing, if b square minus 4ac is strictly greater than 0, so this implies two real solutions. Two real solutions. Second, if b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, in this case we have a one real solution. And the next, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Here, only imaginary solutions. I will say two imaginary solutions or complex solutions, you can say. We have a complex solutions here. Next, this is important results, okay? You can remember it. Next is find a possible pair of integer values of for a, c, so that the equation ax square minus 4xc plus c equals to 0 has a one real solution. This is the condition for one real solution. B square minus 4ac. So a is a here, b is -4, c is a c. I want b square minus 4ac must be 0. So -4 square -4ac equals to 0. 16 minus 4ac is 0. So 4 4s are 16, 4 equals to ac. The product of a and c must be 4. Then it will satisfy the condition of a one real solution. I want a pair in which a and c are integers. So choose a as a 1, c as a 4. 1 into 4 is 4. The product will be 4. Okay? Alright. Next. A juggler tosses a ball into the air. Ball leaves the juggler's hand 4 feet above the ground. So there is a ground 4 feet and then ball is thrown. Initial velocity is 30. Initial velocity is written as a v0. That is a 30 feet per second. The juggler catches the ball when it falls back at the height of 3 feet. That means it come back with the height of 3. But when they put, it was at a 4 feet height. So initial height was a 4. When it comes back, catch it, it is prefix. How long is the ball in the air? So this is the direct question using the equation height is equals to negative 16t square plus v naught t plus h naught. So I will substitute the value. This is 3. Negative 16t square. V naught is 30. H is 3. Shift everything to the one side. So 16t square minus 30. One second. This is initial height. That's 4. 16t square minus 30t. 3 minus 4, negative 1 equals to 0. So let's calculate. It's a t here, right? T is equals to 30. Negative of b. B is already negative 30. So negative, negative, positive. That's why I write only 30. Plus, minus. Square root of t square minus 4ac over 2 times a. 2 times a. Let's calculate. 30 plus minus. This is 900. 16 fours are 64. This is negative, positive. Over 32. So 30 plus minus square root of 964 over 32. If you calculate, you will get t is approximately 0. It's negative 0.033 or 1.9. T is a time, so time cannot be negative. So I will not use this. This is the only answer. So for what time the ball was in the air? The ball was in the air for 1.9 seconds. You got T is 1.9 seconds. This is the answer. You can write here. The ball is in air for about 1.9 seconds because it's an approximate answer, right? So this was 3.4. I hope you understand. If you find any difficulty, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.